Hey, we're the Teen Trolls, and Zayn has left One Direction. Let's see what people think about this.
So you know about One Direction, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's the band, five members. Yeah, I know about that. Yeah,
Do you know about One Direction?
Obviously.
Who's your favorite member in One Direction?
Zayn Malik.
Yeah. Who's your favorite member of One Direction?
Zayn Malik.
Who's the hottest in One Direction? Harry.
He's not hottest,
He's the cutest.
Yeah.
Yeah. That dimple and all. You know about Zayn Malik, right?
Yeah, he's very cute. Zayn Malik is hot.
Yesterday there was a news that it's an official statement that Zayn Malik has left the group, the band.
It's a joke.
I can show you the pictures and stuff.
Nah, it's a joke.
Really? You can search it anywhere right now. Bet on it.
I can't believe this. Seriously, I didn't know about that.
That he obviously is leaving the band and stuff. So what's your take on that?
Sad. It's
That
sad.
was quite a lot. Good answer. Come on, express.
Very bad.
Very bad.
Very bad.
What do you think about that?
Faggots left the group. Full of faggots.
That is very disappointing.
They were good together.
Actually, I read his reason on Facebook and I think it was really lame. I didn't get it. That's his personal choice. I personally don't have a problem because I really don't care about the band.
But then obviously that's truly bad. I mean,
Yeah.
there was a wonderful group. They made some
Exactly.
good tracks and all, but then they are leaving it. That's bad.
I don't really care, man. I hate the band, I hate the music. I just don't like the music.
So do you think it will affect the band in any manner?
A little bit, yeah. Because a lot of girls, are crazy for him. Are like, they will die for him.
Exactly.
I find him too cute. That's the main reason.
Shouldn't. I mean, with a guy with such attitude, should not affect.
Maybe, yeah, they were a team, and if one man leaves, yeah, it'll affect the band.
I watched One Direction videos just because of Zayn Malik.
So they weren't really making music, and if a hot guy leaves the band, I don't think that affects the artistry of the band.
Hope they all die.
Don't be mean. Even I don't like them, but I don't wish they die.
Yeah, exactly.
They should die, man. They're promoting gay.
How do you know they're gay?
They look like they're gay.
They look like they're gay.
Yeah, you have not heard this song.
Do you know about the reason?
I think it was some financial problem, some contract.
See, he said that I want to be a normal 22-year-old guy without any spotlight and stuff. But because there were certain rumors about him cheating on his girlfriend.
He can't live a normal life now since he's already so famous and he's got that much fame. I don't think he can live a normal life, so I don't understand his reasons. The same thing as Beatles, like they're separated, so I guess they should not do the same mistake as the Beatles did.
He's avoiding the situation, nothing else.
So
What's the point? I mean, he can go ahead and live a normal life. He can go to some other country. No doubt he must be a rich guy, I'm sure.
Yeah,
He can go to some other country and maybe stay over there and live a normal life.
Sure.
So that's a lame excuse to leave his band.
So what do you think would be the reason behind him leaving?
Found another boyfriend.
Actually, the thing was, there were rumors that he was cheating on his girlfriend. And
Fuck him, man. Seriously, fuck him.
there will be too many beefs in this video, I guess. any message you would like to give? Come on, straight to the camera.
Fuck you, Zayn Malik. Fuck you. Fuck you, One Direction. Fuck you, faggots. Don't promote faggism.
Okay, what about you? Love you, Zayn Malik. Love you.
Please no. I'll fucking break up with you right there. Right this fucking second, man. Seriously, you say that?
Okay, let's see.
I don't like them. I don't like their music.
Yeah,
but
just because he's standing right in front.
No. I just don't. I don't like them. I don't like their music. But I don't.
You don't wish they die?
Just look at how he's staring at. Any message straight to Zayn Malik? Maybe he'll watch.
No, I don't want you to go or to leave the band because everyone
Because you're
loves
hot.
you.
Yeah, because you're
Everyone
hot.
loves you. I love you too. Come back in your group. We are a big fan of yours. And please don't leave. Stay in the band. And please be back. We miss Zayn Malik a lot and we need him to come back.
Please come back. A big fan of yours.
Zayn Malik should join the band.
You should go ahead and you should live your life according to the way you want. I mean, you don't have to leave the band.
I love Zayn Malik.
I'm gonna miss him.
I love you, Zayn Malik. If you've started together, it's better that you continue together. It's important that you get the best of both worlds and just live your life, man. People are dying to live your life and you want to live our life.
Exactly.
Come, let's exchange places.
I'm gonna miss Zayn.
Now you know what people think about this. Let us know what you think about this matter in the comment section down below. You must be wondering where that Moda guy, Rishabh is. He just had an accident last week, so go wish him on Facebook.
Girls do give him kisses.